Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 6 English grammar second chapter and that is a and some. A and the are called articles in English grammar. A and an are called indefinite articles. The is called the definite articles. We use a before a word that begins with a consonant or with a vowel having a consonant sound, like a college, a university, a European, a 1 rupee note. Second, we use an before words beginning with a vowel that is a, e, I, o, u, or words beginning with a silent h like an apple, an egg, an onion, an uncle, an inkpot, and so on. Here is the exercise 2.1. First one is fill in the blanks with a or an. First, Varanasi is dash holy city. In this sentence, we fill a because holy start with consonant sound. Second, I saw dash ugly old woman and the correct answer is an because u is vowel. Third, copper is dash useful metal. In this sentence, we fill a. Next, he returned after dash hour. In this sentence, we fill an because the hour is starting with silent h. Fifth, do you have dash umbrella? And the correct answer is an. Sixth, I found dash egg in the nest. And the answer is an. 7. He came here dash year ago. And the correct answer is A. And the rest of the question you have to do yourself. Do this question in your book. Question number 2. Add a, n where necessary or put a cross. Before start this question, let me clear one thing. We can't use a or n before uncountable nouns. Like we can't say a water, an air, a sand, an ink, a paper. And we use a, n before singular countable nouns only. But we can use a or n with some uncountables also when they are used in a particular sense. Like he has a love of music and there was a fear of robbers. First one is dash iron is dash useful metal. In this sentence, before start the iron, there is no need to a and n, so we cross it, and after is we use a. Second, monkey has dash long tail, and the correct answer is a monkey has a long tail. Third, dash orange grow on dash tree, and the answer is an because o is vowel. And second blank we fill a because tree is consonant. Fourth, a chair is made of dash wood. In this sentence we write made of, so there is no need a or an, so we cross it. Fifth, dash fish can swim in dash water. In this sentence we cross first blank because there is no need a or an, and also we cross before the water because earlier I say we can't use a or n before uncountable nouns. 6. Dash flute make dash sweet music, and the correct answer is A, makes after we cross it. 7. We eat dash soup with a spoon. In this sentence we cross after the eat because soup is uncountable, so we can't make it an or a. And the rest of the question you have to do in your book. Question number 3. Put into the plural. First one is a box has a lid. In this sentence we make the plural of box and also we use a plural helping verb. And the correct answer is boxes have lids. Second, a cat eats meat. Answer, cats eat meat. Third, a cow gives milk. And the correct answer is cows give milk. Fourth, a dog hates a cat. And the answer is dogs hate cat. We can't make hates into the plural. Fifth, a garden has a tree. And the correct answer is gardens have trees. Sixth, a child likes a sweet. And the answer is children like sweet. We make child as a plural form. 7. A writer writes a book. And the correct answer is writers write books. There is a lots of writers and lots of book when we become it plural form. And the rest of question you have to do yourself in your notebook. Question number 4 of this exercise, put into the singular. First one is coats have collars. And the correct answer is a coat has a collar. In sentence A, it is a plural form. But when we make the correct answer, we convert into the singular form. So the right answer is a coat has a collar. Second, cows gives us milk. And the correct answer is a cow gives us milk. Third, monkeys have long tail. And the answer is a monkey has a long tail because we talk about only one monkey. Fourth, dogs are faithful animals. And the answer is a dog is a faithful animal. Fifth, big houses have big roofs. And the answer is a big house have a big roof. And the rest of question you have to do yourself in your notebook. Fifth, put in what with or without a and an. First one is dash said news. And the answer is what. We use what where we have uncountable things, and we use what are where we have countable things. Second, dash good idea. In this sentence we use what are because idea is countable. Third, dash horrible dream. In this sentence we also fill what are. Fourth, clever girl she is. And the answer is what are. Fifth, good dancer she is. And the correct answer is what are. Sixth, dash lovely eyes she has. And the answer is what. Seventh, dash clown your friend is. And the correct answer is what are. Eighth, dash grand house you have. And the correct answer is what are. Ninth, dash sweet song she is singing. And the answer is what are. 10. Tasty dishes she has made. And the answer is what. Do this question in your book. Question number 6. Open your book and look at the picture of page number 8. You can use the words in the boxes. First one is jar, loaf, bowl, bar, cake, bottle, milk, soup, honey, soap, bread and chocolate. Write A of for each picture. First, a jar of honey. Second, a loaf of bread. Third, a bowl of soup. Fourth, a bar of chocolate. Fifth, a cake of soap. Sixth, a bottle of milk. Do this question in your notebook. Exercise 2.2. Choose the correct word. First one is this news not true. And we have two options, is and are. And the correct answer is. Because here is the news. And news is uncountable nouns. Second, Lucy has golden hair. Here is right because we can't make hair as a plural. Third, I need some bread to eat. We use bread, not breads, because in this sentence, some means a certain amount of that thing. Fourth, he was polishing his shoe or shoes. And the correct answer is he was polishing his shoes. And the rest of question you have to do in your book. Question number second, fill in the blanks with a, an or some. Before start this question, let me clear use of some. Some is used as the plural of a or an. In the case of some means a certain number of that noun, like some nouns are uncountable and some verbs don't have an object. And some can be used with uncountable nouns also. In the sense, some means a certain amount of that thing, like there is some milk in the pot. First one is put dash salt in my soup, and the correct answer is some, because in this sentence we talk about the certain amount of thing. Second, please give me dash milk, and the answer is some, because milk is uncountable, so we used some. Third, dash animals have long tails, and the answer is some. Fourth, dash good students is never late, and the correct answer is A, because good is start with G and it is a consonant sound. Fifth, there is dash dirt on your shoes. Answer is some. Sixth, give me dash pen to write dash letter, and the answer is a pen, a letter. Seven, dash Australian sheep give very good wool, and the correct answer is an, because Australian is start with a vowel sound. And the rest of question you have to do yourself in your book. Question number 4. Put a cross or a right against each statement. If you think this statement is right, you can tick the right one. If you think this statement is wrong, you can tick a cross. First one is we can use a and an with uncountables. It is wrong, so we tick cross. Second, we can use a and with plural countables. This is also wrong. Third, we can use a and with singular countables. This sentence is right. Fourth, we can't use a and with plural countables. This sentence is also right. Fifth, we can't use a and with singular countables. This sentence is wrong. Sixth, we can use some with uncountables. This statement is right. 7. We can't use some with uncountables. This statement is wrong. 8. We can't use some with plural countables. This statement is also wrong. 9. We can use some with singular countables. Wrong. 10. We can use countable in the plural form. This one is right. And the rest of question you have to do yourself in your book. That's all about your chapter. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. Thank you.